Hello and welcome to the beautiful valley of St John's in the Vale. Keswick lies just over this ridge. You might be able to spot some of the traffic that's just heading over to the town. And this massive clump of mountains here is Skiddaw. And I've got a view down the Blencathra Valley to Great Carver over that way. And my little fell today that I'm going to be doing is High Rigg. And it's only 357 metres above sea level. But it's going to offer me such amazing views over St John's and to Skiddaw, to Blencathra, one of my favourite views of Clough Head as well. So I'm really excited about getting up there. And then tonight I'm going to be doing a wild camp, hopefully on the top of Blencathra, but that video is coming next week. So I've taken a little detour off the path just to come and have a little look at the Church of St John, which is this lovely old building behind me. The plaque on the front says it was rebuilt in 1845, but actually incorporates an older chapel. It's absolutely lovely and is Grade 2 listed. So I'm getting quite close to the summit. In fact, I think that's the summit just up there, but if I show behind, look at that, that is Blencathra. And then you've got the Blencathra Valley just down the bottom of that is Bhutan, and then the massive Skiddaw over there. And I can see a little bit of Bassenthwaite Lake, and then the pointed peak over in this direction is Grisdale Pike. And the view is only going to get better the higher I go. I reckon 5 or 10 minutes and I'll be at the summit. Ooh. Yes, we've made it onto the summit here. Oh, my hat's gonna go. Of High Rigg. So this is 357 metres above sea level and quite an amazing view. This is one of my favourite views of Clough Head, which is this enormous mountain on the left, and you can actually see Fisher's Wife Drake, which is a Grade 1 scramble up one of the gullies here, which is really cool. An awesome view right down to Thelmere, and Grasmere is actually just over the ridge. That's Dunmail Raise at the end. And then in this direction, all the northwestern fells, a little tiny bit of Cat Bells you can see. Bassenthwaite Lake right over at the back, and possibly a bit of Scotland behind. It could be some dark cloud, I'm not quite sure. And then a great mass of Skiddaw and Blencathra in this direction, looking amazing, although Blencathra has definitely got a bit of rain up there, and I don't think any was forecast today.